If you put all of your 3D assets inside of a group, it'll make controlling the scene easier, and it essentially gives you access to a second camera. So what we'll do right now is click on the sky, hold in Shift, click on Rock 4, and then we'll right click and choose Group with Selection. So now this will put everything into its own folder. I'm going to name it Scene and then hit Enter. So now the next thing we want to do is convert everything to 3D. So we'll double click on Rock 4. Now on the far right on the top is a tab called 3D Options. So tap on that. In here, you can see we have 3D conversion set to none. Let's go down and change this to Extrude. And for right now, we're going to come in and remove the silhouettes, materials, and creases, because sometimes that doesn't quite work how we want it, and it can lead to some weird coloring issues when you have the 3D objects moving. But we'll keep shading set to Toon right now. Again, that's something else we might change, not really sure yet. So now, before you go in and apply this, we want to come over here to our layers and make sure we select them all just by clicking once on Rock 4, holding in Shift, and then clicking on Sky. Now, I guess my options didn't quite save, but that's okay. Just make sure it's set to Extrude, your edges are turned off, and it's set to Toon. And once you're good, you can click OK, and this should now apply the settings to all the layers. So here, we're looking at a scene and it looks terrible because all we see is the sky. What's going on? Well, it's the way it's rendering things out and also the layer ordering. Once you have everything established in a group, is to double click on that group. And then you want to tap on Depth Sort at the top. Let's enable Sort Layers by Depth and then Sort by True Distance. And then we can click OK. And all this means is now, when I'm going through and I'm trying to reorder my layers, let's say I want Rock 2 above Sky, I can't do it. You can see no matter what I do, I can't get that layer to go above the sky in the layer ordering. If I take the Transform Layer tool and I come up here to the Z property, you can see as I start to bring it out in 3D space, it is now going above the sky. And if I go back in 3D space, you can see now it starts to go down the list.
Full Chapter 2 is linked below.